If you open your Sidra application right now, you realize that you no longer need facial verification for you to be able to claim or swap your coins, even though some individuals are still having issues with this. So I'm going to be explaining to you in this video what you need to do. But before we proceed, if your application is still looking like this, that is to say that your KYC is still not yet verified, permit me to ask you, what exactly have you been doing up till this time since I have been announcing that you can now complete your KYC online? Yes, Sidra announced that the KYC is going to be done offline, that you have to visit a physical center and all of those stores. But it is not all of you that this thing is available to. So I can help you to complete your KYC online in less than 15 minutes. All you basically have to do is to send me a message. If you're watching this on YouTube, check the description box for this video. Strictly check the description box. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there, or you're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Once you come to this Telegram channel, you see that my WhatsApp contact is going to be pinned there where you can message me. If you cooperate in less than 15 minutes, your account is going to be looking like this. That is to say that your KYC is going to be verified and you'll be able to claim your coins. This is not for free. I'm going to charge you, but it's also not something much. Aside from SidraChain KYC, if you also want to purchase SidraChain, maybe for those of you that did not mine enough, or you've been hearing about SidraChain but you don't want to mine, you just want to buy, you can also buy into your OKX wallet, you can buy to your MetaMask wallet, you can buy to your Trust wallet, any decentralized wallet at all. You can purchase Sidra into it, or you can also buy directly into your Sidra wallet for those of you that have opened a Sidra account. And just to clarify, whether your KYC is verified or not, you can purchase Sidra into your wallet and you'll be able to receive or send out. It does not require verification. If you want to buy Sidra, you can also hit me up in the DM. If you want to buy Pi coins, you can hit me up in the DM. If you want to buy any other cryptocurrency token at all, you can still hit me up in the DM and you're going to get a good rate. And that is basically it. Now back to why we're here. If you check your account right now, if you want to claim your coins or you want to swap, Sidra no longer requires facial verification. I am not saying that this feature is going to be permanent, because from what I am seeing, I'm thinking it's a glitch on their side, or maybe they just disabled this feature to allow them to be able to do further development. But I know that they're definitely going to bring it back. So let's just watch out for what is going to come next. But as of now, for those of you that if you want to claim your coins or you're still unable to claim at all, or nothing is working for you, what you need to do is log out your Sidra. Once you log out, log back in, it is going to work normally. When you click on your claim button, it is not going to request for facial verification. When you click to swap, it is also not going to request for facial verification. Personally, I've been able to claim without facial verification, but when I went ahead to do my swapping, it went on, the swap did as it usually does. I waited for it to load, because normally, even when you do facial verification, they're going to ask you to wait for some time. Sometimes you can wait for 1 minute, 5 minutes, or whatever amount they decide to take, and then your coins will either be credited into your account, or they're going to tell you that they reject your face verification and all of those stuff. So I waited, the status was updated, and my coins did not claim. So yes, they did not request official verification while I was trying to claim, and it went through. They also did not request official verification while I was trying to swap. But the problem is that I was unable to swap the coin. It did not work. So I don't know why this is so, but I'm going to say Sidra is currently facing a lot of issues. I don't know why they're developing issues every day. I mean, Sidra is a big project that people are hyping, talking about, but they just seem to be facing one issue or the other. But if you ask me personally, I'm going to say that they purposely did this. I mean, they will not want people to claim, because the main reason why people are claiming their coins or swapping their coins is because they want to sell. So I think this is part of why they probably might have disabled that feature on their end and makes it to look as if it's a glitch, because the claiming is working perfectly. Anytime the claim has problem, it will take maybe just 3 or 4 days. They resolve it and people begin to claim again. So that is just basically that about that. If you want to complete your KYC, don't forget to reach out to me. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Turn on that bell icon so you get notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to follow me on X. I drop a lot of updates there even before I make videos on them.